In the rolling hills of ancient Palestine, Jesus sat among his disciples and delivered what would become history's most influential sermon. The Sermon on the Mount, beginning in Matthew chapter 5, opens with the Beatitudes' 8 revolutionary declarations that turned societal values upside down. Here, the meek inherit the earth, the merciful receive mercy, the peacemakers become children of God. These weren't mere platitudes, but radical blueprints for human flourishing. Today's challenge invites us to select one beatitude and discover its transformative power in our daily lives. Perhaps you'll choose to show mercy in a difficult relationship or bring peace to a fractured situation. As we memorize, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God," we embrace our calling to bridge divides in a world desperately needing healing.